So the driving force behind the design is to bring together leisure, luxury living, high-end retail, green spaces, and a strong sense of community.
We wanted to create a new destination in Doha where the new Doha meets the sea. We've always taken inspiration from nature for our designs, but also as a source of information.
By recurring to a language that has a strong references to the Qatari landscape, which is conformed of eroded rock formations, references to the water and the sand dunes.
So the design itself is informed by the aesthetics and also the formal expressions of the coastal erosions.
We find in J&J a client that has a high ambition to bring something new to the scene in terms of architecture, in terms of design, residential living for Qatar, and that aligns really well with our vision.